Why are you being so creepy? Ew. This kid is weird today. Anyway, all right. Finally got one ball joint out. Now that's got to go marinate in the juice. I don't know. Little drill it and bang it. That sounds like his Saturday nights with his blow-up doll.
It's not a blow-up doll.
It's his right hand, actually.
No, it's your butthole.
What? No, you can't afford that. Anyway, now that this video is completely inappropriate, that's going to go 1 down, 3 to go. That end is going to go in the washer. Well, the wind said F off. Anyway, so that can go in the washer and get the gook off of it. But everything else is nice and ready and done. And then that can start going back together because Burnsy will be here at 6 and he can start assembling. Everybody went home early today, but you and I, you know why? They're soft. It's like 94 degrees. We gotta go home at 2. Whatever. I'd live here if I could. Ew. Ew. Get it? Stop! What are you, 4?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, 1 down, 3 to go. Don't tell Scotty you're on Grindr. He'll get excited.
That is fucking hot.
I know I am, but what are you? So you make a fire.
Yeah.
That's the spirit. Whatever.
It's dripping.
You're dripping fire. That's kind of cool.
That is kind of cool.
You know, after you're with a chick and you drip fire, that's not cool about it. It's totally cool every day, though. I've never had that problem. Scotty probably has. I know some friends that have that subscribe to my channel, and I'm not going to point them out. I'm going to bang it. Bang it. Bang it. Okay. Also, Victor came by. Idler arm bushings in the bracket. Woohoo! Nice work.